I got tired of being a teacher and I felt like my brain was unmotivated. So I needed the challenge of, like, you know, crunching numbers and stuff. I came across Future Connect's Data Analytics course, so I did have a conversation with them, and then I thought, oh yeah, it might be something I could do. So, and then voila, that's what happened. Initially, I think it was quite challenging in terms of going into more advanced Excel beyond just adding 1 + 1, because that's as far as I went. And so, you know, we were doing these like kind of nice, cool functions that we'd never done. And I actually found satisfaction being able to actually do a problem. And I thought, yes, I managed to do this problem without any help. This is fantastic. Rather than doing perhaps a degree course there where you'd have to spread it over like several years, I was quite happy that it was over and done with in 12 weeks. The aim of the bootcamp is to actually give you applications that you can actually use in your job, you know, when you go and apply for them. So it definitely was a plus point. I would recommend it if anybody looking to change their career or looking to actually advance, particularly in subjects like data analytics, because probably if you're coming from a complete novice background, you'd have no idea what it's about. I'm actually in IT now, but which is absolutely data related. So it definitely highlighted my CV. If I didn't do it, if I didn't complete it, I don't think, you know, any of the IT related or data related employers would bat an eyelid. It definitely was a foot into tech, let's put it that way.